In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google form on Carrd.co. We'll keep this simple and clear. The goal is to connect your Carrd site to a live Google form using a clean button that your visitors can click. This approach gives you a reliable, mobile-friendly way to collect responses without wrestling with code. Start by opening your Google form. At the top right, click the Send button. In the window that appears, choose the angle brackets icon, which is the embed option. You'll see a block of iframe code. Don't grab all of that code. Instead, look inside it for the URL that appears after src sys. It's the link that sits between quotation marks. Highlight only that link and copy it. This is the direct address to your form that loads beautifully on any device. Avoid copying the full iframe because we won't be placing code on your page here. We just want the form's link so Carrd can direct visitors to it smoothly. Now switch over to Carrd and open your site. Click Edit to get into the builder. You'll add a button element to your page. Place it where it makes the most sense, near your hero section, at the end of a services block, or anywhere you want people to take action. Buttons are great because they're obvious, accessible, and easy to style to match your brand. With the button selected, open its settings. For the link option, choose URL. Then paste the Google form link you copied a moment ago. That's the core connection done. The button now knows where to send your visitors. From here, you can give the button a clear label like fill out the form so people know exactly what to expect. If you prefer a smoother browsing experience, consider setting the link to open in a new tab so your site stays available in the background. You can also adjust colors, size, and alignment to make it stand out just enough to draw attention without overwhelming the page. When you preview or publish your Carrd site, clicking the button will take visitors straight to your Google form. They'll complete the form and their responses will automatically land in Google Forms just as you'd expect. That's it. You pulled the correct form link from Google Forms and connected it to a button in Carrd using the URL option. It's clean, fast, and works well across devices. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any part to double check the steps as you build.